4 SS Day 29. Take out the work of worksheet. Chapter number 4, The Western Desert, worksheet page number 87. Worksheet 1, Chapter 4. Write T for true or for F for false. Strong wind that blow in the desert can shift the sand dunes. True. The stream in the Thar desert carry water throughout the year. False. F. In the desert, crops are grown around a sand dunes. False. In some houses in Rajasthan, rainwater is stored in a tank. True. Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan. True. Varanasi is a city in Rajasthan. False. Complete this true and false in your worksheet. Next question, circle the odd one. Sand dunes, glacier, oasis, thorny shrubs. Now children, sand dunes, oases and thorny shrubs are found in desert. The glacier are found in the mountainous region and in the cold region. So circle around glacier, that is odd. Blackbird, camel, chinkara, lion. Blackbird, camel, chinkara are found in desert. The lion is found in forest. Circle the lion. Bajra, jawar, sesame, rice. Bajra, jawar and sesame are grown in desert while rice is grown where the abundant rainfall received. Ghagra, choli, fairan, odni. Odd is fairan because rest are the dresses worn by the women of Rajasthan. Vindaloo, churma, bati, dal. Vindaloo is the odd one because rest are the food eaten by the people of Rajasthan. Vishakhapatnam, Jaipur, Jaisalmer, Bikaner. Vishakhapatnam is the odd city. Rest are these three are the cities in Rajasthan. Next question, question C. Complete these sentences. The climate of Thar desert is hot and dry throughout the year. The tree that grow in eastern part of Thar desert is the khejri, kikar and babu. The main occupation of people of Rajasthan are sheep, goat, camel and cattle rearing. The walls of houses in Rajasthan are thick to keep the heat out so that the houses remain cool. Jaipur is called the Pink City because all buildings in the old city are built of pink stone. Complete these sentences. Turn the page. Next page, worksheet 2. Write one word answer for each. Write one word answer for each. First one, the state where the great Indian desert lies, Rajasthan. A popular dish in Rajasthan, dal bati churma. A river that flows through the Thar desert is Luni. The most useful animal in desert is camel. The canal that carries water to the Thar desert is Indira Gandhi Canal. An item that is famous in Jaipur is blue pottery. Complete this one word answer in your worksheet. Circle the correct word. The Thar Desert stretches from Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat to the border of Haryana. Underline below. Gujarat to the border of Haryana. Madhya Pradesh is wrong answer. The land around an oasis is infertile or fertile? So fertile is the right answer. Circle around fertile. In the desert, the days are very hot and the nights are very cool during summer or winter. Circle to summer. Indira Gandhi Canal brings water to desert from river Satluj or Luni. Satluj. Rajasthani men wear turban or dazu. Circle to turban. People in Rajasthan celebrate Vishu or Tej. Underline to Tej or circle to Tej. Tej is the right answer. Define these terms. Run of Kutch. Run of Kutch is a desert situated in Gujarat. Sand dunes. The strong wind blow the large amount of sand and accumulate at a place and make small hill is called sand dunes. Oasis, a lush green area surrounding a water sources in desert is called an oasis. Banjaras, people who travel from one place to another in search of food. Tanka, a place where rainwater gets collected in underground tanks used in dry period. Write this define. Your worksheet is over, children. The session is over. Learn the worksheet and write the answers in worksheet. Have a nice day. Thank you.